Hi, my friend. I want to talk to you about this six-step income challenge that I have going on. And it's all centered around on how you can earn extra money. And today we're talking about busy people. You're working full time, children, grandchildren, you have other responsibilities. I know down through the years, I've worked full time. I've been a caregiver, divorced, raised my children, now have a new relationship with adult children, but you're still parenting. I have a lot of things that I volunteer for. So you volunteer for a lot of different things. You have a full schedule. And it's not so much that you're just busy just to be busy, but it's very impactful, it's very meaningful, right? Yet you want to earn extra income. So why is that really so important these days? You don't want to just resell anything. You don't want to just learn anything. Like I said, it needs to be meaningful, impactful for you. So you're looking for low stress, something that's going to fit your schedule, and you definitely want leverage versus hustle. Hustle, you're on the go and you got to get that bag, you got to do this. And it's more so being in survival mode. You don't want that. Also, you already know what it's like, whether you're getting paid hourly or salary. You work 80 hours every pay period, and that's what you get paid. But if you don't work those 80 hours, you don't get paid. Yes, you have vacation, you have sick time, but when those things run out, if you're not working, you're not earning, right? And so that's why it's so important to look at leverage. Leverage says you're going to create one thing and you're going to earn from it over and over. You're going to create one thing, and while you're working, while you're with your children, while you're with your significant other, while you're doing your caregiving or volunteering, you have a income stream that's working for you while you're working. That is the type of system that you want. So, introducing what I call the 6 steps to income challenge. There are 6 steps. When you get this digital product, you're going to have a customized digital product, you're going to have a launch store, and you're going to have 30 plus days of ready to post content. What does that mean? That means you're going to know what to say for 30 plus days. Wherever you're going to post, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Threads, X, you're going to know what to post. And there's also bonus content in there on top of that, where you get the opportunity to find out who is your ideal customer. Who are you ideally wanting to talk to? Who's your target market? If I could say it like that. But 6 steps: customized product, launch store, 30 days, ready to post content. And that is so key right now because some digital products, they don't give you the full package. They may give you the teaching and the training, but not the 30 days to post. They may give you the 30 days to post content, but no teaching, no instruction behind that. All right. So click the link in the video description if this resonates with you. You're working full time, you don't have a lot of discretionary time during the week, yet you want to earn extra income and you want to do it on your own terms, flexible, low stress, all of the things that I've mentioned in this video. Click the link in the video description and you're going to see the exact product that I customized myself, that I made it my own, that I launched it to a store, and that I had 30 days of content ready to post. All right. Many blessings.